are pleased to show you the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, daytime running lights, rear spoiler. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.